This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Wow! What a deal! This amazing home sits on a great corner lot, over 2,400 square feet, HVAC system replaced in less than a month, roof was replaced in 2019, freshly painted inside, recent carpet upstairs and office/or fifth bedroom. Has a formal dining and breakfast area. This home has it all. Great for entertaining, master downstairs. So much room. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.